Afroz?
Yes, sir.
Because Tabriz, he can understand Urdu also. That is good, right? उनको उर्दू भी आता है. फराज?
जी सर.
फराज, right?
हाँ.
Confusing man. हमारा बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं like Firoz. So I am in live in YouTube now. Check from your side. If you open the YouTube, you type your company name.
Yeah, so once again.
I think you can check in YouTube now. So we are live there. I am not going to record this session as today is a day one. Okay, maybe coming when I start the lab. Okay, so I'll figure out what are the topics we are going to discuss for the CCNA on the YouTube.
Yes, I can see it. Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm live in YouTube now. I think you can check in YouTube now. So we are live here. So you can mute the YouTube now from your side because you are live now. As to do the tape. Okay, so let me I'll share my other things. The good thing is, guys, so I can share my screen. I think I can make you host. You can share your screen if you got stuck in the lab. Okay. And I think Afroz, he left, I think. Again, okay.
Yeah, he's there. He's there.
Yeah, maybe he's coming. I think he's logging from, yeah, maybe I think he's trying to adjust this.
Yeah. I just came to my uncle's house because he's in one of the Palo Beta. I came to like work on his car. So I'm just working outside in the garage, studying also.
Oh, you are in garage now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I think you can able to see, right?
Yeah, I can see it. Okay.
And previously I was logging into my Apple laptop. Now this is Windows 7. So let's start from you. Before questions. So CCNA stands for what?
Cisco Certified Network Associate.
Okay. Do you know the exam code for CCNA?
Actually, I used to know the old one, but I don't know the new one. So I have to check it. Yeah.
So exam code is for the CCNA. Okay. I think can you able to see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. The exam code is 300 or 201. Okay. The cost of the exam is in India. It is 325 USD.
325 USD. Okay.
Yeah. So if you talk about this one stimulation part, okay, so how the exam will be, let's, before I could start the sessions, I think, you know, right?
Yeah.
You know, I think, Tabriz, I think, you know, how this name has come?
We have to recall it. Yeah, you can discuss it. Yeah. You can tell me.
Interesting, like. Because you are in US, man.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, so I'll give the hint. I think you can able to understand.
Oh yeah, that's our city. Yeah.
San Francisco.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah.
Man, you are Cisco guy, Tabriz. You must know this.
Yeah.
For us, you are comfortable, right? Feel comfortable.
Yes,
He's very young, Tabriz.
Yes.
He's 18.
Okay.
He's a young guy. Okay. How much he can understand, let him, because I'm going to start A plus and N plus in from CommShare, I think, you know, right? Hardware basic of networks. I'm going to start him because I asked him to join because he's 1 year, he's free now.
Yeah, so he's new also, so he can like cope up with the like a basic, so
Yeah.
he can come on.
Yeah. So that's the reason this thing. Okay. So let's come to the point now. You got it right for us?
Yes, sir.
So how this name has come? Just now I told.
By the Francisco.
Okay. So now you tell me, Tabrez, what is this symbol?
This is the Golden Gate Bridge.
Sure.
Yeah,
Yes. It's a golden bridge. It is a bridge. It is not a signal.
yeah.
Many people
It's
they
a-
will tell it is a signal. It's not.
And it's also, Mr. Taj, I think it's like a Cisco slogan too, like bridging academic industry. So the
Yes.
bridging word, yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start this thing, the next part, this thing. So we can see, so we have a different level in Cisco, what they have designed. The first thing is they started with the CCNA. Okay. So as you can see, the CCNA course, Cisco Certified Network Associate. Okay. So right now, previously when I studied, there's a lot of specialization for CCNA. I think you might heard about this. Okay. Is CCNA security, okay, CCNA data center, CCNA ISP, CCNA, again you have collaboration. So now these all things they have removed it. There is no specialization in CCNA. So what Cisco did, so now they did only CCNA, okay, routing and switching. And CCNA, that is one more thing they have come up with, DevNet. So this is called the associate level, the first level of the networking course, associate level. There is no specific prerequisites for CCNA. So previously it was there. So you must have the basic concept of what is the network, what are the network devices. So all the basic things. Okay, now it's not require prerequisites. We can go directly jump for these things. So we shall discuss. I think you are familiar with IP addressing, Tabrez. Do you remember, right?
Yes, sir.
IPv4, like
Yeah,
class A, class
IPv4.
B, class C. How to do the subnet, what is CADR value, what is wildcard mask, subnet mask, broadcast IP, multicast IP, what is the purpose of IP address, what is NAT, why required NAT. Okay, a lot of things we guys will discuss. Maybe Tabrez, one more thing is, I will go slow.
Yeah, because since Firoz is new here, so
Yeah,
he also can like
Thank you,
jot
sir.
down. Yeah.
Yeah, Frost.
Nothing, sir.
Go ahead, feel comfortable, Frost. If you have any questions, you can ask, no issues.
No, sir, I've said thank you for going slow.
There is the first reason is you. Okay, second reason is, so I'm expecting one or two guy. Okay, one guy from US, other maybe now right now he's in Kenya now.
Yes, sir.
So today I will speak to him. I'll send him. Now the reason he may join at any time later, maybe this week or next week join. So that is one of the reason. That is the reason I will go very slow. But Tabrez, I think he's familiar topic of us. For us, right?
Yes.
Because Tabrez is already familiar with these things. Almost all topic he learned already CCNA, CCNP also.
Mashallah.
Okay.
Not NP, sir. Only CCNP.
Okay. Fine. So this is the associate level, guys. So first you have to remember that. Okay. So now in CCNP, so what we'll call Cisco Certified Network Professional. So here they have come up with the specializations. So what are specialization? What I mentioned. Okay, Cisco Data Center. I'm writing the short form. Data Center CCNP Security. Let me write it down here. Data Center Security. Again, you have ISP. Your collaboration. Okay. So again, they have one more thing is DevOps. DevNet. DevNet means developer network. So here you are going to learn here your Python programming. Okay, in Python programming, so we are going to learn here. Okay, and same thing for your expert level. Okay, and here we'll call it as this is L1 engineer, and this is L2 engineer, and this is your L3 engineer. Level 1, level 2, level 3. In expert level also, we have the data center, security, your ISP, internet service provider, you have the collaboration as well. Okay, there are different types of your specialization. So as I told you that if you talk about the CCNA, okay, only for the CCNA in India it costs 325 USD exam fees. And US, I don't know what is the exam cost in US. It's very different countries.
Yeah, US is like kind of about I think $700 to $800.
For CCNA?
Yeah.
Really?
No, for CCIE. Sorry, CCIE.
Okay. And check it out, Tabriz. I want to know like how much it costs.
Okay, inshallah. I will check it and let you know.
Yeah. Because in African countries, I have seen in African they are charging 150 USD.
Okay,
For
I'll check
CCNA
it.
exam. It very depend upon different countries. Okay. So I think CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate. Okay. If you talk about the exam, these thing parts, exam code is here 300-201, and we will be having 1,000 marks here. It's not like 100 for us here. So duration will be 90 minutes, and the passing score is 850, not 35, like in your college. Okay. And there is no internal marks here. Okay. And questions will be around depending upon 45 to 55 and sometimes 59 as well. Depends. Okay. And the questions exam type will be, you will be hand the multiple choice like A, B, C, like this. You have to select. You have the stimulation, drag and drop. Okay. This is the exam concept, how the CCNA is going to start. How it could be your CCNA exam. Okay. And these are the symbols like which we are going to use in coming session. So any idea about this one, guys? What is network for us? What do you understand?
Network.
So network, you can see, right? You can see sharing the data from one place to other place, or one device to other device. Okay, it is a wired or wireless.
Wireless.
Okay, wired or wireless, both also. Wired also we can communicate.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the good thing is, so business need a solution that would successfully address the following problem to avoid the duplication equipment in the source. It will not repeat the same thing. Suppose if you send the message, same file to me again, it will not accept. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to communicate efficiently? Nowadays, all communication happening based on the right. Without network, we cannot communicate right now also. We are connecting to the Zoom, right? Just imagine there is no network. It is possible to communicate with you guys. See, the Tabriz is in US. Okay, we are in Bangalore. We are very far away, right?
Yes, sir.
How we are connecting? We are connecting through network. That is through ISP. ISP means for us. Just now I told.
ISP, sir.
ISP means internet, and don't do Google. No,
No,
Google.
sir.
Okay. No Google.
It's an
Yeah, you
internet
can.
service provider.
Okay.
So
Google
internet service. नहीं सर. नोट कर ले रहा हूँ सर.
You can note it down. Friends. Yeah.
Yeah, sir, I'm noting.
नोट इट डाउन. एक बुक रख ले, नहीं तो टैब रख ले को, जस्ट राइट इट डाउन. Good
so
thing is
that-
Tabaris also speak Urdu for us. Notes लिख लिया. Very good. Very good. And Tabaris को हमारे लैंग्वेज आता है हमको.
जी, उर्दू आती है.
उर्दू आती है. हाँ.
जी सर.
हम दोनों मैं मिक्स करके पढ़ाऊंगा लैंग्वेज को.
ठीक है.
Okay. See, networking device has been segregated into two things, guys. Okay, end user device and network device. Okay, what are the end user devices? Okay, end user devices जो होता है, user who will use the device, who will generate the data from it, like your mobile phone, laptop, desktop. This all will call it as the end user devices. End user means last ka user from the networking, the user who will use the device. Like right now you are using mobile phone, laptop, right? Same thing, that all will call it as the end user device bolte hain. Okay, networking device. Okay, networking device is nothing but here like your hub, okay, switch, your router, right, and even firewall also. So this all will call it as your networking device. Means network device is one which will connect the many end user devices. है ना? समझो ऐसा रहता switch हो. दिखा दूं coming slide, we have the switch. Look like, so if you want, let me show you that. Okay, networking devices, let me show you that. Let me clean this. So this is all a networking device for us. You can see, right?
Yes sir.
So ऐसा रहते हो devices पूरे. See, networking device, तुम्हारा Wi-Fi router. Okay, this is your
Yes, sir.
computers, right? This is how we are going to connect it. Okay, so let me come show you this. Let me show you the real devices. I think you can see the screen, right? तो ऐसा रहता देखो ये. This is all the switches. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करते हैं? So we will connect here devices. यहाँ पे जो पोर्ट है ना, इसे पोर्ट बोलते हैं हमें. So here we'll connect your computer. We can see, right? जैसे कि समझो यहाँ पे कनेक्ट हो गया देखो. So this will connect the computers. All will connect the computers. Okay. Let's come to the slides now. Okay. Now, NIC card, I don't want to explain the NIC card, this thing, but because as it is the outdated one, because it is network interface card. Okay. So where you can connect your computers. This is called the port, or we can also call a socket a port, because recommended is the port. We'll call it, this is a port. So previously we need to insert this port for in the motherboard of your computer. So now this is inbuilt for every device. All the laptop now it is inbuilt. Inbuilt hoke chata hai isme. Okay, no need to buy separate one now. We can connect directly. So how we are connecting? We are connecting this cable. This cable will call it as your LAN cable. And other name is LAN cable. LAN ka sun ko hi for us?
Nice sir.
LAN stands for local area network. We shall discuss it. We call it local area network, the LAN cable. Okay, the other name, so we will call it as your UTP cable. दूसरा नाम है, actually नाम is UTP cable बोलते हैं. UTP means unshielded two-state pair. Remember, unshielded two-state pair. We can see if you go for any bank or healthcare, any companies, we can see the cables. Okay, through this cable, we are going to connect. Okay, so I think you might heard about hub, guys. Okay, so hub is nothing but this is how we are going to connect it all the devices for end user devices. So connecting the group of host. So this is the group of host. So how we are going to connect the PCs. So we can give the IP address here. Okay, we can give any IP address. That we shall discuss later, IP addressing concept. Okay, what is the do you remember Tabriz kuch yaad hai? Networking devices. Right now we are talking about networking devices like your hub, switch, okay, router,
yeah.
Then like one more thing is bridge. I don't want to discuss the bridge. Okay, this is all to date one. Right now we should discuss the three this part. Okay.
Yeah, because
Okay, so any idea about how does it works? I think
yeah, we're gonna put one router we have to like connect the switch to the router, and we have to configure the router, and we have to configure the switch also, so that both end devices can receive the packets. So
see, I'm not talking about your router and switch. So I want to know what is hub.
Oh, hub is hub was like I think it's like it was like unmanaged, right? Unmanaged, yeah, and it doesn't need
unmanaged switch. Unmanaged managed switch. It will come under the switch.
Unmanaged switch, yeah.
Managed switch, unmanaged switch. Okay. I'm talking about the hub. Okay, very simple. Don't get this thing. See how what it does. We can see, right? So same is look like switch. Okay, so we can connect your computers here. You can connect all your computers. Right. So we'll be having some IP address. Say example the class C. So 192.168.1.1/24. Okay, and this guy will be 1.2. This is 1.3. This is 1.4 and 1.5. Okay, there is a issue in the hub. As we can notice, so no organization, they are using the hub. The problem with the hub is, say example, okay, so like this, if I connect a lot of computers, okay, so let's give some names. Okay, this is my PC A, B, C, and D. Fine. So now, if PC A want to communicate with the PC B, okay, what this hub does, okay, it broadcasts to all the active ports. Broadcast means for us, broadcast बोले तो सबको भेजना.
Yes, sir.
Broadcast बोले तो सबको भेजना. अब देखो तो मेरे इसमें WhatsApp में there is a broadcast message you can see in WhatsApp. Means it will send to all.
Yes.
जैसे कि and WhatsApp, I think we have this in right group. WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir.
अगर कौन सा भी वीडियो आ गया तो okay, if we send that group, okay, it will send to all, right?
Yes, sir. All they can see.
All they can see. That is, we'll call it as your broadcast. Means whenever PC A want to communicate with PC B, it does the broadcast. Fine. Now, now PC D want to communicate with PC C now. Now what it does? Again, what it does, it broadcasts to all the active ports, not inactive ports. Remember, active port, जो PC जो port को connect रहता, उसी को एक ही it will send. See, right now there is no port connected here. This port is free. It is not connected any PC. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now, so next step is again the PCC want to communicate with PCA. This time, what it does now, again, PCC will send the broadcast. What kind of broadcast it will send? PCC, it will send to all the active ports. Means whenever they want to communicate with PCA, B, C, and D, means your hub, what it does, it broadcasts every time. Broadcast every time. Means whenever they want to communicate, is going to do the broadcast every time. Okay, which is not good in networking because it consumes the bandwidth. The network performance will come down. I will tell you what is the bandwidth for us.
Okay, sir.
Okay, समझो अगर तुम्हारी जो street है, your road is just 50 meters. Okay, there is like a lot of traffic, truck, car, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, then footpath. Many people are you are sending. What happened? What will happen? Your traffic jam, right?
Traffic, yes, sir.
Traffic jam means your network will come down.
Yes, sir.
Right, network will means traffic will hang. That's the reason we'll call it as means whenever the hub communicate, it broadcasts every time. Means it consumes the more bandwidth. It also use the more hardware resource of the switch of the hub. That's the reason.
Yes,
hub in the organization, we are not using the hub. Okay, we are not using this hub in the organization. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, come to the switch now. And this is quite very important. So based on the switch, we are going to do the lab. Okay. The switch is quite very intelligent device. Okay. So how it is intelligent device? As we can see, this is how it has been connected here. So this is my PC, all PC, how they have connected. Okay. Now, what does switch does? Means switch will broadcast once. So what it does means, whenever the PCA, say example, this is my PCA, B, C, D, and E. Okay, so as simple as this. Okay, so what I'm going to show, this all PC, it maintain your which table? MAC table. For us, I think yesterday I told you about the MAC. Do you remember?
No, sir.
कल बोला तुमने फिजिकल एड्रेस लॉजिकल एड्रेस कर पाओ.
हाँ जी सर.
हाँ भूल गए?
नहीं सर. IP एड्रेस भी बोला सर. नहीं सर.
MAC address is the physical address.
Physical address. ऐसे.
जैसे कि I think I have given the example also. The where your house has built up in the area, that is the MAC address.
MAC address. Yes,
your
sir.
house name is your logical address. So
Logical
example,
address.
For us, your name is your logical address, and your appearance, your physical body is called your MAC address.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it maintain the switch will maintain the two table. Okay, that is a MAC. Okay, in that we will be having your interface, and you will be having the MAC address. So what it does is, okay, when the PCA want to communicate with the PCB, switch also does the broadcast. Switch also does the broadcast. Means, say example, this is my MAC address. Say example, this is BB, and this is CC, and this is DD. Say example, I'm talking about. And this is E dot MAC address. This is all the MAC. And this is my EAE. Fine. Just for example.
Yeah, so I'm sorry, I got some visitors, but I'll be here, don't worry.
Sure, okay, fine. Right.
Yeah, I'll be here, inshallah.
Inshallah, yeah. Yeah. So, like if you want to go, you can go the break, because you can mute and you can come back, no issues. Yeah, fine. Okay. Yeah, for us. समझ में आ रहा है तुम ना?
जी सर।
समझ में आ रहा नहीं?
हूँ सर।
ओके, अब यहाँ देखो तुम ना, यहाँ क्या होता, यहाँ भी क्या करता उन्हें ये दे डालता ब्रॉड, कैसे एग्जांपल दिस इज माय फास्ट इथरनेट 1, फास्ट इथरनेट 2, ये आपको तुम ना इंटरफेस के नाम आए।
सर अब तुम्हें बोला है हब स्लो कर रहा करके, अब हब नहीं यूज कर, दूसरा क्या यूज करती ब्रॉडकास्ट के लिए?
स्विच, ये यूज
स्विच।
कर,
ठीक है सर।
हाँ स्विच यूज करते, गुड।
हम्म।
अब उसका ये तुम ना बोल रहे हो समझ, इसमें क्या करता है इन्हें, सो लेट मी डू दिस। तो इन्हें क्या करता, स्विच क्या करता, उन्हें मैक टेबल बनाता, इंटरफेस नहीं। फराज रात को सोए नहीं?
नो सर। सर
तुम्हारा अम्मी को बोलो यूट्यूब में जाको ये देखो ना लाइव, तुम्हारा तुम्हारा अम्मी का मोबाइल फोन यूज कर रहे नहीं तुम्हें?
जी सर।
हाँ, तो रब्बा के दूसरे मोबाइल में यूट्यूब में जाको देखो ना, लेट हर वॉच। तुम्हें देख रही नहीं देख रही, क्या सो रही नहीं, यार मुंह मुंह खोल रही,
नहीं
दांत खा
सर,
रही।
सुन रहा हूँ सर।
ओके, अब ये स्विच क्या करता, पहले तुम्हें क्या समझो, फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड स्विच क्या करता बोले तो, अगर समझो, अगर ये पीसी बी को कम्युनिकेट करना का तो मालूम ना, बात करना,
ब्रॉडकास्ट।
बात करना, कम्युनिकेशन अलग। वो
ओके
बोल
सर।
दो ना, व्हाट इज ब्रॉडकास्ट, मल्टीकास्ट, यूनिकास्ट, वो है तुम ना, विल टॉक लेटर।
ओके सर।
अगर ये पीसी ये और पीसी बी को कम्युनिकेट करना बोले तो क्या करता है, इन्हें इन्हें ब्रॉडकास्ट भेजता, इट विल सेंड द ब्रॉडकास्ट। स्विच का इन्हें यहाँ अगर भेजा तो ये स्विच क्या करता, सो को भेजता, कौन बा बी इसमें मेरे इसमें बी कौन मालूम नहीं ना से, सबको भेजता। तो ये क्या करता है, यहाँ इट विल मेक एन एंट्री करता, ओके फाइन। तो यहाँ से आया ये समझो इंटरफेस, ओके, फास्ट इथरनेट 1 से आया, और इसका मैक एड्रेस आपको ये ओके, और इन्हें क्या करता, ओके फाइन, माई बा बी मुझे दे बी, ओके। तो इन्हें क्या करता है, यहाँ इन्हें क्या हुआ, फास्ट इथरनेट 2, ये 1 हो गया, ओके, ये फास्ट इथरनेट 2 को इसके टेबल में ए कर लेता एंट्री, मैक एड्रेस क्या उसका बी,
बी।
ओके। और नेक्स्ट क्या करता समझो डी है, अब वो डी आपको तुम ना, डी वांट टू कम्युनिकेट विथ सी, ओके। तो यहाँ तुम ना क्या करता है इन्हें, इट विल सेंड, यहाँ भेजता है इन्हें। तो यहाँ क्या भेजता है इन्हें, स्विच व्हाट इट डज अगेन टू सेंड टू ऑल, सेम थिंग, स्विच विल सेंड टू ऑल, सबको भेजता, क्या भेजता, ब्रॉडकास्ट,
ब्रॉडकास्ट।
it will send the broadcast. Let me clean this, I'll write it out. If D want to communicate with C now, okay, the MAC address is, this is AA, this is BB, let me write it down, this is the PCA, PCB, PCC, D and E. And this is very important, coverage also. अभी जो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है।
जी सर।
ओके, इसमें मैं लैब भी इतना मैं आई विल शो यू द लैब, ओके। तो इसमें क्या है समझो, दिस आर द मैक एड्रेस, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस आर द, दिस इज सीसी, दिस इज डीडी and this is my EE. So as I told you that it will maintain your MAC table. Because why I'm repeating, because you know MAC table बनाता है। तो MAC table में क्या रहता है, इसमें इंटरफेस का नाम और
मैक एड्रेस।
समझो तुम ना पीसी बी को कम्युनिकेट करना, तो तुम्हें क्या करते, इट विल सेंड द इंफॉर्मेशन। ये स्विच क्या करता है ये, ओके, व्हाट इट डज, इट ब्रॉडकास्ट, ब्रॉडकास्ट को तो सबको भेजना. ओके, ये स्विच क्या करता? ओके फाइन. सो ये कोसा इंटरफेस फास्ट इथरनेट 0/1, फास्ट इथरनेट 0/2, फास्ट इथरनेट 0/3, and this is fast Ethernet 0/4, fast Ethernet 0/5. तो 5 इंटरफेस में क्या करता? ओके फाइन. सो वी वांट टू कम्युनिकेट विद दिस. फर्स्ट टाइम क्या करता? सबको भेजता. ओके, वंस इट हैज बीन सेंड इट विल मेक एन एंट्री. तो यहां से आया, ओके, कौन से इंटरफेस से आया? फास्ट इथरनेट 1 से आया. ओके, इसका मैक एड्रेस क्या है? ये गया कहां? फास्ट इथरनेट 0/2. ओके, इसका मैक एड्रेस क्या है? BB. मीन्स मैक टेबल ये करता, मेंटेन करता. आई विल गिव वन मोर एग्जांपल. अगर समझो दिस टाइम DPC वांट टू कम्युनिकेट विद CPC. अगेन व्हाट इट डज? इट विल सेंड द मैसेज टू द स्विच. स्विच विल डज द ब्रॉडकास्ट. ओके, यहां क्या करता है? इन्हें कहां से आया? इन्हें फास्ट इथरनेट 0/4. मैक एड्रेस इज DD. ओके, and he want to communicate with C का भी अभी मालूम नहीं. फास्ट इथरनेट 0/3, the MAC address is CC. ओके, नो अभी क्या हुआ तुम ना? नो दोबारा अगेन PCA want to communicate with PCB again. Okay, now what it does now? क्या करता?
ब्रॉडकास्ट इंफॉर्मेशन सर.
ब्रॉडकास्ट नहीं करता. आप समझो तुम्हारा नाम मुझे मालूम है, फराज.
जी सर.
ओके, एंड तबरेज आल्सो आई नो. ओके, इफ आई नो योर नेम, ओके, सो व्हाई आई शुड सेंड द ब्रॉडकास्ट? आई वांट टू कम्युनिकेट विद फराज, राइट? सो क्या करता है इन्हें? ओके, आई वांट टू कम्युनिकेट विद B. So whether this B guy is available in my MAC table? Yes, it's available. It's available in the your interface name fast Ethernet 0/2. Means directly it will send. It doesn't do the broadcasting. अगर समझो तुम्हारी क्लास में, ओके, तुम्हारी क्लास में एक 20 people are there. If I come to your class, okay, the first day I don't know your name, right? Okay. After 4-5 days I can remember the name of the people, right? Around 10 to 15 people I can remember the name, right?
Yes sir.
Right, obviously for everyone, because you know it takes time my brain to prepare my MAC table to remember your name, right?
Yes sir.
जैसे कि तुम्हारा जो सूरत है, your face, okay, by seeing your Faraz I can see, okay, he is Faraz. By seeing Tabrez I can say, okay, he is Tabrez Ali, right? Okay, but then come to first day I will do the broadcasting. Once I remember your names, okay, no need to do the broadcasting. Means directly it will send. Same thing for D to C. Before broadcasting, switch what it does, it will check the MAC table, then directly it will send.
Directly, okay sir.
Directly it will send. No need to do the broadcasting. Here,
Broadcast.
your network performance will increase. That's the reason switch most widely used in the any network.
Okay sir.
बहुत ज़्यादा यूज करते हैं आजकल. Almost all, every, but most will be used managed switch, not unmanaged switch. Oh, that we shall discuss in coming sessions. Okay, router का नाम सुनको ही. What is router?
Yes sir.
What is router?
Sir, it's like Wi-Fi, no sir?
Wi-Fi router is
pen drive.
Pen drive is
like
not. Tabrez, any idea about router?
Actually, sir, router is like it stores the IP addresses for the PCs, yeah. And when a switch wants to send a packet, so it's gonna find the IP address to send, like MAC address, right? They want to communicate, so it's like that. So it's gonna find the right IP address and it's gonna deliver the packet to the destination. IP.
So if you talk about the router, so as we can see, the router is your layer 3 device. Layer 3 device means network layer. Okay, so router is a device, okay, layer 3 device, which is used to connect the two different network. Is a simple definition. Okay, so router are used to connect the network together, route the packet data from one network to another. Okay, Cisco became the de facto standard routing because the high quality of the routing products. Router by default, it is a broadcast domain. It will break up the network. Say example, this is my network. Say example, this is my /24 network, and this is my /16 network. Okay, means it will not communicate. This all PC cannot communicate to this PC until unless you use the router. Remember, so router is a device which is used to connect the two different network. Remember that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you heard about topology for us?
No, sir.
Topology. I think now these people in 11th, 12th, they are teaching, man. Network topology.
No, sir.
Yeah, fine, no issues. See,
Sir,
so
my
topology-
PCMB, sir.
Yeah, PCMB. Okay.
Yes, sir. B. Biology.
Okay, it's okay, no issue. Because a topology is a design architect, how you can connect the networking device to communicate with the efficient manner. Okay, so as we can see, okay, so network topology defines the structure of the network. Okay, you cannot connect however you want. Network device, a switch, hub, router, a firewall. Okay, you cannot connect however you want. Okay, Tabrez, you are also getting sleepy, man. Unmute your this thing.
Yeah, I know, but I'm here. Don't worry, I'm here. Because today I work like long hours, so about 12 hours, so that's why. But it's okay.
What is the time now there?
It's about 20 past 9. It's 9:20.
9:20 p.m., right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So now one part of topology means define the topology. These things actually layout wired or media means how you are going to connect it. देखो तुमने कैसा होना वैसा हो, you cannot connect the devices, right? So there is a specific standard they have maintained. That is we call it topology. Topology is the design architect how the network device has to be connect. We have the different types of topology. Topology means design architect
Design.
how to connect. So connection kaisa karna. Okay, for that we have like topology, that is your bus topology, okay, star topology, ring topology, and hybrid topology. These are different types of topology. So bus topology mein kya hota? So it look like hub, your bus now. So this is all the nodes the PC connected. Okay, the cable which we are using, I think we are using coaxial cable. Tapre, you heard about the coaxial cable?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is used for TV dish connection, right?
Yeah.
No, yes, sir.
Right. So मोटा जैसा wire आता ना, so coaxial cable. So nowadays we are not using these cables. Okay. The issue with the bus topology is, so when this cable breaks, okay, entire network is going to down.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And which is very bad, right? Right. So we can see, so this topology, the single backbone cable that terminate at the end. This is the, we'll call it as a terminator. Terminates. All the hosts connected directly to the backbone. Right? This is how it's connected. Okay. If you talk about next your ring, if you look like ring, we can see all the nodes are connected. Okay. So one this cable broke here, but still they can communicate via this direction. Okay. और यहाँ का तुम्हारा केबल क्या तो करेक्ट हो गया तो Okay, अगर इससे communicate करना, they can communicate. What about this guy? This guy cannot communicate because cable is broke.
Broke. Yes, sir.
Means he can go via this. This is called ring topology. It's create physically ring cable. You can see, right? Okay. Now you talk about star topology. Look like star. Centralized. Most of the organization, they use the combination of star and ring topology. Remember, the organization जो companies में ये connect कैसा होता बोले तो तुम ना combination of star and ring topology दोनों मिला के उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, हाइब्रिड टोपोलॉजी बोलते हैं, हाइब्रिड टोपोलॉजी. Okay, this is centralized cable connected to the your concentrations. Okay, this is how all the pieces has been connected. Suppose ये cable गया तो भी no problem. These all people still they can communicate, right? Correct. अगर समझो ये cable क्या तो खराब हो गया. Okay, but they can communicate to each other, right?
Yes, sir.
It's not look like your bus, right? Okay. Now extension, same thing. Extend like we can extend if you have some hundreds and thousands of computers in your organizations. बहुत ज़्यादा है. We can extend your this all switch. ये जो switch है, we can extend this all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mesh topology. So we are not using mesh topology in the organization. So some organization they are using direct connection. See, each node, each computer is connected directly. You can see, right? Okay. Just imagine if you have, I think, 5,000 employees in your organizations. So we cannot use this mesh topology. Means each one guy is connected directly to each other. Means lot of cables. If you go to any data center, okay, lot of cables we can see. We are not using the mesh topology nowadays.
Sir, topology means it is design, no, sir?
Design means computers को कैसा connect करना.
Like same broadcast only, no, sir? It casts to everyone.
A broadcast को तो वो that is for communication for us.
Communications, okay.
Communication हो. Okay. ये आपको devices को कैसा करना connect.
Connect कैसा? Okay, sir. How to
devices जो computers रहती, laptop, computers, switches रहती, तो ये कैसा connect करना. Okay. तो इसमें तुमने मैं क्या पढ़ाया तुमने, bus topology, ring topology, star topology and mesh topology. तो इसमें मैं क्या बोला तुमने, most of the organizations they are using which topology? Star and ring topology.
Star and ring. Yes, sir.
Okay. Star and ring topology, so they are using it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the standard media where we are using the physical and logical topology, like Ethernet, ports, okay, token ring, physical topology like bus, star, and point to point. Point to point means direct connection, like ring, star. Logical we are using in Ethernet bus, FDDI, fiber distributed data integration. FDD means, okay. So this will work in your layer 2. So this will work in your layer 2. Okay. So let's jump for these things. ये तो सुन कहीं LAN, WAN, MAN. For us.
Yes, I have listened, but I don't know this.
Okay. Okay. Tabres, any idea about this?
Yes, sir. It's like a LAN is like it's a local area network. Yeah, so it will be like it's basically like in an organization, and if like there's organization like for example in Bangalore, one is in like what you call another city next to it, like so there's like a wide area network. If you like going all the cities, it's a wide area, and locally there's like locally like at your own workplace. So basically it's like that.
Okay. So what is the other name for LAN, local area network? Other name?
Okay. I forgot, sir.
It is intranet.
Internet, yeah. Sorry, internet.
Intranet.
Yeah.
Okay. For your WAN. Okay. What is for the WAN?
Sir, even I know the LAN, sir, but I don't know the WAN.
Wide area network. Okay.
Wide area.
And LAN is nothing but your say. Let me write it on the clean one. Let me grab this. Okay. So TRA intranet. Okay, and this is sorry, LAN WAN. Any example for WAN? Tabriz, can you say?
Wide area network. Okay. Like
Can you say internet?
internet. Yeah. So it's basically like wide area network, like so was explaining us. So it's like
ARPANET, you can say ARPANET also.
ARPANET, yeah.
ARPANET, like inside network. Okay. So as simple as guys, I don't want to explain more about these things. So LAN जो होता है फिरोज जो inside organization में, okay, तुम्हारी computers, तुम्हारे employees ही companies में उनको locals जो connect करती हैं उसे local area network करती to communicate inside. ठीक है?
Yes sir.
अब समझो ये तुम्हारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. ओके. सो एक तुम्हारे पास एक 100 एम्प्लॉइज है. ओके. 100 एम्प्लॉइज में दे आर यूजिंग कंप्यूटर्स, राइट? दे आर यूजिंग लॉट ऑफ कंप्यूटर इनसाइड. तो एक दूसरे को दे हैव कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर. ओके. इसे क्या बोलते हैं हमें? लैन, लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क. ओके फाइन. सो नाउ अगर तुम्हारी ऑफिस जो है एक आके बैंगलोर में है, ओके, दूसरी ऑफिस इज इन यूएस. ओके. सो इसमें क्या करती तुम्हें? सो यू आर यूजिंग आईएसपी. आईएसपी मींस सर्विस प्रोवाइडर. थ्रू इंटरनेट से जाको तुम्हें कनेक्ट करती है बिकॉज यू हैव वन मोर ऑफिस इन यूएस एंड देयर यू विल बी हैविंग सम थाउजेंड्स पीपल हियर वर्किंग देयर. टू आईएसपी यू आर गोइंग टू कम्युनिकेट. इसे क्या बोलते हैं हमें? वैन.
वैन. ओके सर.
वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क.
नेटवर्क.
ओके. समझ में आ रहा तुम ना? Any idea about VPN?
VPN is like connecting the network to in an organization. It's like a virtual private network. Like if you want to work from home and you want to connect to a server in the office, so there is a like VPN will be required. Your username and password, so you can like connect from home to a office server to want to do some work or something.
Okay, so what exactly VPN is? That is a general question what you said. So I want technical answer from you.
It's a virtual private network.
Virtual private. I didn't ask you the VPN stands for. You are my student, Tabriz.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even mobile phone also we have a VPN, right?
Yeah.
Right? Mobile phone में भी VPN है, laptop में VPN है, even firewalls, routers, layer 3 switch, VPN is very important. So as simple as this, VPN is as you said, is a virtual private network. What it does means when you have the headquarters, branch office and home office, what it does means when you are going to the internet, your traffic is moving. समझो तुम्हें internet के through access कर रहे हैं, okay, means your traffic is not secure. Okay, because your ISP, internet service provider, he will give the bandwidth. तुम ना खाली internet connection दे को छोड़ा था उन्हें. You do whatever you want. I am not bothered about your security breach.
Okay, sir.
Up to you, you have to configure, you hire your system engineer or network engineer and network security engineers. So they have to take care. Okay, but I'll give the internet connection, that's it. Okay, so when you
Yes.
go to the ISP, means your traffic is not secure to communicate to your different branch office. Say example, this is my USA headquarters in USA and branch office is in Bangalore.
Mm.
Okay, what it does by VPN means it will create the, say example, let me write it on a separate page. It's quite very interesting, guys. VPN is quite very important. Say this is my one branch office, this is one more office. Okay, so here this is my America and this is the Bangalore office. Means through ISP you are coming, right? This is my ISP. Okay, so this is how we are going to connect it. Okay, this is my headquarters and this is my BO. BO means branch office. Okay, so what the VPN does means, okay, so VPN create the virtual tunnel. Means virtual tunnel. For us, तुम्हें कहाँ तो इसमें जाको ही ट्रेन में travel
Yes, sir.
Bangalore
Yes,
to
sir.
Mumbai,
Yes, sir.
right? So I think when a train is enter into the mountain, we cannot see, right, anything.
Yes, sir.
Means whole Radana, like tunnel. When
the
tunnel,
yes, sir.
you cannot see where is the train, right?
Yes, sir.
Same thing, the VPN will create the tunnel.
Okay, sir.
Means your data will be encrypted and it will send through this tunnel to the branch office. Maybe this
Okay,
side to this side, maybe and this side to this side, both sides.
Okay, sir.
In this direction as well as this direction.
Mm.
Right. And to configure the VPN, okay, there is a protocol we are using. Okay, which are the protocol we are using? IPsec, Internet Protocol Security. Okay, L2TP. Okay, sorry, L2, Layer 2 Tunnel Protocol. One more, I forgot this one. That is IKV version 1. So IKEV version 2. These are the protocols which is used to create the tunnel. Means your traffic will be secured. Your traffic,
Yes, sir.
your data will be encrypted.
Safe. Yes, encrypted.
Encrypted data भेजता हूँ. Means कौन तो देखे तो भी तुमना मालूम नहीं होता है क्या होता. Data, because when you are going the traffic to the ISP, okay, means your traffic is not secure. Anybody can hack.
Yes, sir.
Right. Say example, there is one hacker is sitting here. Okay, there is one hacker who is sitting here. Okay, so this guy, as you know that this guy, people are very intelligent. When he's trying to penetrate the tunnel, okay, he's trying to penetrate the tunnel will go down in a fraction of a second. Again, it will create one more tunnel at the same time within a fraction of a second.
Okay, sir.
Again, it will create. The traffic will move on. It will never come down. Right. And to find out again, this hacker, to find out this tunnel, for him it takes long time. He cannot trace this one. Even if you download, even if you have hack also, the data will be encrypted. Encrypted data. That is a function of your VPN, Virtual Private Network.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I was talking about what is the bandwidth. Why bandwidth is very important? Bandwidth is limited by the physical and technology. Bandwidth is not free. Okay, so bandwidth required or growth or rapidly rates. Bandwidth are critical and network performance. Okay, you know, internet. Okay, so I think you might know how much speed internet you want. You have to pay that much of money, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Mean what? I mean, how much speed means what? Speed is nothing but your bandwidth.
Bandwidth.
Means तुम्हारा रोड का साइज, हाईवे रोड, हाईवे रोड समझो, हाईवे रोड है, lot of track 1 2 and middle of 3 4 5 6. Okay, तुमने हाईवे में जाना बोलता है, I think in India they'll put the toll gate, right?
Yes, sir.
You have to pay some 100 rupees, 150 rupees, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
if you go for small road, there is no toll gate. Means your vehicle will go slow. Many people will come because it is a free. Because as you know,
Yes, sir.
Indians are very smart, right? Wherever free means all people will come.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay,
Yes,
same
sir.
thing here also. Okay, so one more thing, Tabares, I want to add some important about the bandwidth. So being a technical guy. So do you know, India is the cheapest internet in the world. Do you know why?
India.
Yeah. Do you know what is my internet speed at home? Right now, I'm in my home now.
Must be more than 5 gig. Huh?
My internet speed is 1 gig.
Oh, okay.
And what is your internet speed there?
Same 1 gig.
1 gig. Because you know, I'm using the wireless. I think you cannot see any sort of interruption, right?
Difference. Yeah.
I'm using like 2 computers, right, to explain this training.
Oh, okay. So for me, I'm using like we have one router, and yeah, it's good. Internet is it's good. Yeah, same here.
Okay, you tell me, because I'm sure I think you are paying more money than me.
Yeah, that's true.
That's true, right? And then what is the reason? Like why India is very cheaper in internet? In the world? I'm not talking about the US. If you compare from India and US, if you talk about other countries like Europe and America, Asia, throughout the world, India is one of the cheapest internet in the world. What could be the reason?
I'm not sure, sir.
Not sure. See, we have all the network engineers easily available with the less cost for troubleshooting, for working for the devices, working for the layer 1, L1 engineer, L2, L3, L4. Got it? Easily available. We do have the resource for technical engineers. The technical guy easily available here. For other countries, suppose if you go for any Europe countries, okay, if you are working for the ISP organizations, okay, say example in UK, they have the BT. BT they have ISP, British Telecom. Okay, so if you want to hire for network engineers, they have to pay a lot of this thing, salaries.
Yeah.
Okay, because here, if you pay for an engineer for 1 year, okay, 1 year salary in UK engineer, he is going to work for 1 month. I hope you understood, right? Right. That's the reasons. So here India has got one of the cheapest internet in the world. Okay. So let's move on. So I think you might know about, right? This is the, I think when we this bits per second, kilobyte per second, megabytes per second, gigabytes, terabytes, 10 to the power 3, 6, 9, 10, this one. So I don't want to explain this. I think you might familiar with this thing. So this is how we are going to connect it, guys. You can see this is my router and this is my switch, how the organization will be connected. From the switch, we can connect a lot of your end user devices. So what is end user devices for us? Your computers, your laptop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your laptop, this thing we can connect it. Same thing can connect for other devices.
Sir, printers.
Yeah, we can
Yeah.
also. Yes, very good. So printer, scanners, your CCTV also, all
Yes, sir.
even IoT device also we can say end user devices. So
Hmm.
IoT सुनको ही Tabrez, sorry,
Yeah.
for us
IOD, sir.
IoT device
No, sir.
सुनको ही IoT का तो
IOT. No, sir.
Internet of Things.
Internet of Things.
इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स तो ये क्या करता तुम ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में अब समझो ये स्विच है दिस ऑल द स्विचेस सो यहाँ से क्या करती हैं विल कनेक्ट सीसीटीवी ओके अगेन विल कनेक्ट सम ऑटोमेटिक डोर लॉक okay again same thing lot of door locking your fridge your
Fridge
fan
and fire alarms and all.
alarm all things we can connect it maybe wired or wireless no problem we can connect both means this all thing remotely you can manage it local or remote suppose see so say imagine so Tabrez has a house in Bangalore okay so say example in Bangalore he has a house so right now he is in US so Tabrez is in US now so his family is in Bangalore so all devices is connected okay to remotely he want to manage suppose if anyone knock his door okay any wrong guy wrong and knock the door he can see his face by sitting in US the wrong guy has entered okay the door from here using his app this application there app he can lock don't open
Yes, sir.
the alarm will alert wrong guy has entered with the maybe he's coming with the mask he's hiding himself he's trying because this is all we'll call it as the IoT device means what I'm trying to say even IoT device also we can connect to the switch through the cable or to the wireless also no problem okay so how guys I think this is the hierarchical networks architecture design how we can connect so this is the core layer distribution layer and access layer so this I will explain so when once I completed my 7 layers Tabrez, do you remember 7 layers and TCP IP
Yeah, I just have to recall. Yeah, I do remember. It's a physical layer, network layer, like
very
I
good
have to recall.
go ahead
Physical layer, network layer, data link layer. And so I have to recall it, sir.
yes okay and don't worry Tabrez, I do have a very good Cisco official material for CCNA even you can this will be all we can also watch in YouTube later okay right
Sure.
now I'm not recording so once I recording I will upload in YouTube directly still I'm not going to start the lab but I will show you some basics of what I taught today so then
Sure.
okay
Mhm.
don't worry because in 7 days I'll give the material book workbook also I will give okay and same thing for us also I have got
Okay.
the official material don't worry about it okay so let's jump because I don't want to make it so boring for theory right because for us is very good in lab it seems as per
Oh, mashallah. That's good for
as per his mother
Hmm.
so his mother told me Faraz is very good in practical
Yeah, that's alhamdulillah, that's good.
that's good right let's see the practical how much he can understand now okay Cisco packet tracer Faraz ये तुम्हें क्या करो तुम्हारे लैपटॉप में इंस्टॉल कर लो पहले
Okay.
ओके ओके लैपटॉप में क्या करो तुम्हें ये इंस्टॉल कर लो ओके मैं आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू इंस्टॉल दिस ओके
Okay, sir.
Okay, just if you check तुम ना Google में जाको तुम्हें check करे तो easily you can able to Cisco packet tracer. Okay, so we can able to download this. Cisco के site में जाको so net academic.
Okay, sir.
तुम्हें यहाँ जाको we can download this. Get download start here. Packet tracer. Okay, log in with your Gmail. तुम्हारा Gmail है नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Gmail से login होगा, just download this, no problem. We can download from here. Even we can download for your mobile phone also, packet tracer. I don't recommend because in a mobile phone it's not possible to do the commands and everything. I don't recommend this one. Okay, so this is the packet tracer, guys. So इसमें देखो तुम ना, if you click on the router here, and this is the menu, here we can see bottom. Okay, so we can see here routers. These are the router series. 433 router. If you click there, we can see which router it is. Or escape to cancel. 433 router. You can see this is ISR router. You can see, right?
Yeah.
You can see this is your ISR router. ISR means Internet Service Router.
Okay.
All organizations, they are using this ISR router.
Yes.
Okay, suppose आपका ISP है connections, so this router we are using here. This is your ISR router. That is your 4331 4000 series router.
Okay.
So how we can use this? Just click on this, so we can paste.
It's like a drag and drop, no?
Drag and drop. It's very simple. Okay, so in this Cisco packet tracer, we can learn all your CCNA, your IoT, CCNA security, your CCNA, your WIPE, voice over IP. That also we can learn. Internet of Things lab also we can do. It is for the lab. This is sufficient CCNP. Okay, so at the same time, so even we do have one more thing is that is EVNG. Okay, EVENG. This is quite very famous now. So emulated virtual environment. Okay, next generations. Here we can do all the CCNA, CCNP, CCIE, your Palo Alto, checkpoint firewall, your Cisco ICE, SD-WAN. Okay, all lab we can do it here. So I do have the lab here, infrastructure with me, which is already installed. Here also we can do that. Okay. So let's take the next thing is switch. Drag and drop. So this is the switch. Okay. For computer end user device, we can see, right? We can see, but the moment if I place my cursor, it's showing end device. You can see, right? For us, be carefully.
Yes, sir.
I'm showing the lab for you. Okay, end user devices. So we can see, right? End PC, laptop, server, okay, a Meraki device, printer, IP phone, WIPE, TV, tab. These all devices we can see. Even phone also. Right. So let's connect this one of my PC here. I'll take desktop. 1, 2, 3. I'll take this time my laptop. Okay. So how do I connect? Take this cable. You can see right now, guys, don't take automatic connection. So take this automatic connection. Okay, you can connect like this. See, now still it is showing this thing. Let me make it big here. See, now it is visible, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
दिख रहा clear see? So a amber color, orange color कई को आ रहा बोले तो it takes time. Okay, this is called ARP, Address Resolution Protocol. तो पहली बार जो कनेक्ट करती ना तो कंप्यूटर क्या करता तुम्हारा Windows 10 आर्प रिक्वेस्ट भेजता, ओके उन्हें क्या करता उसका मैक एड्रेस डाल के, ओके इट विल रिप्लाई. वी कैन सी राइट, कैन यू सी हियर?
अच्छा
We can see this is the list of MAC details, how it has been connected. You can see, right? So first to Tumna, and not open the switch here now. So this is a list of cables where it has connected. ये आपको interface का नाम और ये switch का नाम. Okay, so can they communicate with each other now? Tabriz?
No, sir,
Why?
because it's not been configured in the switch.
Okay, what you want me to configure here?
The interfaces with
Okay.
the IP address and subnet mask.
Okay. Okay, so let me configure that. Okay.
Okay.
For us,
जी सर
computer को IP address देना होगा तो okay, without IP address, okay, no device will communicate to each other. Any device.
ओके सर
Okay, IP address means internet protocol.
प्रोटोकॉल अच्छा
IP address. So कैसा देना IP address को बोले तो just तुम्हारे icon के ऊपर click करो. Okay, go to desktop. Okay, IP configuration and click करो. Static. Static means हमें manually दे रहे IP address, not automatic. So this I will tell you how to configure the DHCP later, not now. So DHCP it will show you fail now. So DHCP fail, APIPA is being used. Okay, any idea about APIPA, Tabriz? What is this IP address?
APIPA is the address, sir.
What kind of IP address is that?
IPv6, I guess.
That is IPv4, we can see, right?
Oh yeah, IPv4. Ah,
You can see, right?
yeah.
Here.
Yeah,
So this is IP4.
yeah. Oh yeah. Can see it.
It starts from 169 to 54, 28, 34.
Hmm.
So DHCP failed. IPIPA has been used. APIPA. Okay, automatic private IP address. APIPA means. Now, what is this IP address? Why it is using? Okay, the reason why it has been taken means in the operating system of the computers, if the switch is not issuing the any IP address from the DHCP server, so it will take this from APIPA. अब देखो दुनिया में आए हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ नाम तो आना है ना,
ऐसा
राइट? दुनिया में आए हैं, अगर उसके माँ बाप नहीं है, कोई बंदा मिलके उसको नाम तो रखेगा, जैसे कि लाइक आमिर खान का फिल्म है पी के,
ऐसा
राइट? अब दुनिया में आया तो नाम तो रखना ना, तो उसका से क्या करता है ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में, सो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में इनबिल्ट उसमें बना को रखती, अगर तुझे कौन भी नाम नहीं दिए तो डरने की जरूरत नहीं, तू जाको APIPA के इसमें जाको ले ले IP एड्रेस.
ऐसा
समझ में आया?
ऐसा
एग्जाम्पल अच्छा है.
हूँ सर नहीं अच्छा था
बढ़िया एग्जांपल है सर, बढ़िया.
जी सर
ओके, तो ये एग्जाम्पल क्या करता है तुम ना, अगर कौन भी से IP एड्रेस नहीं दिए, ओके, बिकॉज हमें कॉन्फ़िगरेशन यहाँ क्या भी हमें कर को नहीं अभी, ओके, नथिंग वी कॉन्फ़िगर. ओके, इन्हें क्या करता, रिक्वेस्ट भेजता, कौन भी नहीं दिए बा मेरा नाम कहीं का, तो उन्हें किसी तक पूछना, उसका से क्या करता APIPA ऑटोमेटिक प्राइवेट IP एड्रेस वहां से ले लेता. उसका रेंज आके रिमेंबर दिस इज द इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन, रेंज स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 169 to 54 28.38. Okay, subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. तो ये तुम ना अफरोज, I will show you when I'm discussing the IP addressing. ये separate topic है.
अच्छा
Okay, IPv4, IPv6, how to do the subnets. Okay, why we required subnet, what is VLSM, CADR. Okay, सो नाउ मैं क्या करता हूँ, तुम ना मैनुअली मैं देता हूँ आईपी एड्रेस, नहीं बात तू पैदा हुआ है दुनिया में आया है, ओके, सो मैं तुझे एक आईपी एड्रेस देता हूँ. सो व्हाट इज द आईपी एड्रेस? लेट्स से आई वांट टू गिव 192.168.1.10. let's start from 10. If you use the tab key, automatically it will fill your subnet mask. Okay, ये आपको क्लास सी का है, मैं तुमने बोलता हूँ आईपी एड्रेस. ओके, आई विल टेल यू दिस लेटर, नॉट इन कमिंग सेशन. There is a separate topic for IP addressing. Okay, the default gateway. So what should be the default gateway for this IP address, Tabrez? Tabrez, I'm asking a lot of questions. You don't come without blank.
Sorry, it's fireworks here. So 192
What should be my default gateway?
192 168 1.2.
Why 1.2? Say, I will give this, let's cancel this. I will give this is 1.2. Now you tell me what should be my gateway.
1.192.168 to 1.254, I guess.
192.168,
254.
Yes, fine. Fair enough. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I will do, so I will Control C, copy. इसका IP address हो गया. Same thing, we can give the IP address for this. Now I will go a little bit faster now. Okay. So 192.168. This is 1.3 now. So gateway is same. Okay. Gateway is 192.168, 1.254. Right. Gateway is same. क्यों gateway same? Tabrez, please explain to for us. You also became teacher now.
No, sir. So gateway is like there will be like when there will be a packet coming through a PC, or we are connecting to a router, example. So we will be connecting through that address, the main gateway.
Give an example to him so that he can understand better. Suppose he want to come to US now.
Okay, yeah. So if you want to come to US, I'm going to lodge your application, right? Everything okay. So when entering through US, once you get you'll be going for interview. So you're gonna come to an embassy, right? We're gonna provide you the following, the visa and stuff. So that's our main gateway. So once it's like a processing, right? So once you enter in the US, our gateway will be the main port of entry. So basically, this to enter US. So basically, that's the gateway right there. Yes. Sorry, sir. Got some visitors too at home, so hope you won't mind. There's some little bit of noise.
Yeah, no issues, no issues. I know.
Yeah, tomorrow will be okay, inshallah.
Inshallah, no problem. Okay.
Hmm.
See, I'll give for example to Farad. So gateway, default gateway क्या है? देखो तुमने हर PC में है default gateway, subnet mask. But default gateway is important. Right now, I'll tell you what is default gateway. So default gateway समझो तुमने US को जाना है. Okay, there is no direct flight from Bangalore to US, or New York, or Washington, or California, or any city. Whether you should go to Dubai, whether you should go to UK, London, or Paris, Bangalore to Paris, Bangalore to London, or Bangalore to Dubai. Then from there, again, you have to take one more flight.
Yes, sir.
Right. Means now default gateway is junction.
Junction. Okay, sir.
Junction से कैसा का? अब समझो तुम ना Bangalore to, if you want to go to Delhi. Okay, समझो तो if you want to go from Kanyakumari to Delhi, okay, all people must come to Bangalore because Bangalore is center, right?
Yes, sir.
Now Bangalore is like your default gateway. यहाँ आपको
वहाँ जा सकते हो
जाना सो. अब देखो तुम्हारे एरिया से अगर तुम बीटीएम को आना बोले तो so these are two way. Whether you can come via Dairy Circle, or you can come via Jayanagar,
Jayanagar, yes sir.
right? Okay, उसमें जो main junction is Lalbagh.
Lalbagh, yes sir.
Lalbagh को तुम्हें आना चाहिए. तुम्हें ऐसा
जी
भी
सर.
जाओ, ऐसा भी जाओ, तुम्हें लालबाग को आना है ना. लालबाग is the default gateway.
Default gateway, okay sir.
समझ में आ गया नहीं?
Yes sir.
Okay. Tabrez?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I have given the IP address now, right? This is my
Yeah.
IP address, 192.168. This is 1.2/24. Right. So can this PC now can able to communicate now?
No.
Why?
Oh yeah, because now they should communicate. No. 1.3, no. Should be like 1.4
Okay.
in the same octet.
See, this is 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, and this guy is, I think this is 1.5, I guess. This guy is 1.5. And this guy is 1.6, I guess. And this guy is 1.7. Can they communicate with each other? To check the connectivity, which command we have to use, Tabrez?
IP config.
No.
Ping space, you type the IP address for that PCA.
Yes, fine, good, very good.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Yeah. See, the ping, the stands for the ping is packet internet grouper. Remember that. Okay, I'll open this PC. We can see. So this is a list of PC which I connected. Go to command prompt. Okay. So what you said, Tabrez, IP config is to check the IP address.
IP address, yeah.
What is the IP address of my PC? We can see, right? So this is the IP address.
Yeah.
Right now, right now, what is IP address? This is my 1.2. Now I want to ping to this guy 1.3. Okay, how do we check this one? Ping 192.168.1.3. So we are getting reply, right?
A reply. Yeah, it's connected.
Yes,
means it's connected. So we can see, let me explain this. See. So we can see packet sent 4, received 4, lost 0. Means it is communicating to each other. Right? So now remember guys, who here is getting reply. Kahan se ping kare hame? We are getting reply from
1.3.
Who is 1.3? This guy.
The PC, yeah.
हमें कहां से पिंग करे? यहाँ से यहाँ means we are getting reply, means दोनों में communication है. Right. So a ping stands for packet internet grouper. Ping stands for. So it use which protocol? Tabrez?
So I cannot see a screen. It's using the default gateway. ICMP, yeah.
Okay, is use ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. It use this protocol to check the connectivity between the any device, not only PC to PC. Okay, PC to layer 3 device. Okay, or PC to router. Okay, and your PC to firewall. And PC to internet as well, even. Okay, so example, if you check, so I'll show you this one. This is the real PC. You can see right the screen.
Yes, sir.
Right. So let me check what is my IP address. So IP config. Okay, we can see this is my IP address. Can you see? Right. My gateway is 0.1. 0.1 is my router. Means it is connected to internet. Right. So this is my IP address 173. It is connected to my D-Link router. So can I ping to Google?
Yes.
Getting a reply, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Can you see? No packet lost. Means we have the communication. Now we can come to know what is the IP address for the Google. if you check from your side, okay, your IP address will be different. Tabrez, can you try from your side? You are using Windows or Mac, Tabrez?
I'm using Windows, sir.
Yeah, so please check what IP address you got it from. Check the ping to Google.
Okay. So mine is 10.0.0.135.
See,
And
so
the Google IP address is like 2607 colon 48B0400580220004.
yes, means like one country, so we got a different this thing, right? IP address. See, we can see we are using this is actually if you check from this one for us, I think for you will get different IP address, not the same IP address what I got it here. Okay. Now we can see we can able to communicate with each other, right? So there's other way of we can do the communication, guys. So we can use the PDU. This is a PDU. Add PDU. PDU means protocol data unit. Okay. Rather than suppose you don't know how to ping, say example from this laptop. Okay. So I want to ping from this laptop to this PC. Let's check. So ping. So 192.168.1.2. Okay. So we are getting reply, right? Okay. For continuous ping, we can use -T. Sorry, not this one. -T. Ping -T in packet tracer. Means it will ping continuously. Okay. So in real one, so ping we must give like this. Ping 190 ping google.com -T. Means continuously it will ping. Can you see, right?
Yes. Yeah.
And don't get confused. See, so in real time, we must use ping google.com or ping IP address -T. Okay. And here we must use first. You can see what I used here. Ping -T first, then IP address. Okay. And the other way where we can do this like this. We can put this PDU here and click here. Success. Laptop 1 ICMP. We can see, right? This is other way of checking the connectivity directly. Yeah. If you ping from this PC to this laptop, yes, successful. Okay. So type is ICMP. We can see right here.
Yeah.
Right. The same thing from this laptop to say this PC. Successful. Understood now? Okay. So now we can see how this real device look like. Right now, this is the logical topology, guys, right? Let's see physically how it's look like. तो ऐसा कनेक्ट होकर रहता है. You can see, right? This is the router, right?
Yeah.
I think in the bank, I think you might see, right? Tabrez.
Yeah. Yes, I can see. Yeah.
This is the router, and this all the end user devices. It is connected, and I think we are using one router, right? Which we have not yet used. Okay, this is really how we look like connection. Right now, I think we are using 7 computers. It will show you which we have connected. Total cable length.
Cable length.
Yeah. Are connected. Okay, copper straight through cable we have connected. Right. If you come back to the physical, logical, it will come back again. We can see this option is available here. Just go to physical, it will show you this. This is the rack.
Yeah.
ऐसा रहता देखो रैक फराज, तुम्हें देखो नहीं रैक ऐसा रहता. इसके अंदर तुम ना जैसे कि एक आई थिंक ये रहता ना कबोर्ड तुम्हारे बेडरूम में, कबोर्ड के नीचे
अच्छा.
रहती रैक्स.
ऐसा.
Switch, routers, so your firewall, your servers, we are going to mount inside that. Okay. So now let's see the stimulation, like how it look like now. If you go, this is the real one. If you go to the stimulation, we can see, right? Let me show you this. Okay, remember, ये जो switch है, ये layer 2 में काम करता. Remember that. Okay, let me go to this one. I don't want to explain this, to just come back. I'll show you this stimulation, packet capturing and frame capturing. Okay, what are the packet header details? I'll tell you in coming section, not now. You're following, right?
Yes, sir.
Because and tomorrow's topic I want to start with that is OSI and TCP/IP. This is quite very important topic. That is OSI means, I think you know, right? OSI 7 layers.
7 layers. OSI model. Yeah.
And this is quite very important topic.
Every time in the exams, this OSI model always comes.
Yes, this is
Yeah.
you must know this OSI and TCP/IP. Okay, so after this, and maybe if you have time, okay, next topic where we are going to jump for your IP addressing. That is class A, class B, class C. How to do the subnetting? Why we required subnetting? All right. For us, समझ में आ रहा तुम ना?
Yes, sir.
Did you had your breakfast? नाश्ता करे?
नहीं सर.
उसका से नींद आ रही तुम ना?
नहीं सर.
समझ में आ रहा नहीं?
आ रहा सर.
समझ में आ रहा नहीं?
Mark, yes, sir. All have marked the points.
दिखाओ क्या क्या लिखे?
It's good. Mashallah.
माशाल्लाह, मबरूक मबरूक. क्या दिखाओ क्या क्या लिखे तुम्हें? गुड तबरेज सी. कुछ सीखो तबरेज. तुम क्या कर रहे हो उधर बैठ के यूज में?
समझ बैठा हूँ इधर.
See, means this show that she is very much interested, right, for us. Right. ठीक है. No problem, because I'm not recording, or everything from tomorrow I'll start the recording, not today.
Okay, sir.
So later on also we can watch in YouTube.
Yes, sir.
I think you might subscribe our channel, right? For AROUSH
Yes,
Solutions.
Yeah. I already subscribed within the daytime, I think. So you send me, I think that's the time I subscribe it.
Yeah. So I think we'll get notifications there. We can watch this. अगर तुमना कुछ confusion आ गया, if you struck, okay, so there we can watch the video. अगर तुमना वहाँ भी समझ में नहीं आया, okay, so when I'm explaining the lab, okay, so I will access your lab because the Zoom which I have got, I have purchased, so it has got many features I have purchased. और तुम्हारा laptop में यहाँ से मैं access करके I can help you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
फराज, मैं इंडिया आया था फराज. ट्विटर मैंने नीचे पढ़ा, बट ये जो मिस्टर ताज ट्विटर है, इसका इस्तेमाल ट्विटर मैंने अभी देखा नहीं है. अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत अच्छा से एक्सप्लेन करता है. और मेरा जो स्टूडेंट था, मेरा जो हमों का स्टूडेंट था, वो जब भी मुझे कॉल करता है, पूछता है सर कैसे है, हाल चाल लेता है, बिकॉज सर का जो टीचिंग अलग अलग अंदाज था ना. अच्छा है सर.
जी सर.
जरा ताज की बिरयानी अलग है सब बिरयानी से.
जो जगह हम खाए थे बिरयानी. ठीक है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
ओके, और देखो फर्स्ट डे है because I don't want to put lot of this thing pressure, otherwise your brain will get reboot हो जाता तुम्हारा, मैं ज्यादा तुमने पुश करा, करेक्ट
yes sir.
सही
राइट, बिकॉज तबरेज
जी
कल से है ना थोड़ा फ्रेश माइंड होके एंड हाफ एन
हाँ
आवर ओके आफ्टर मगरिब सला फॉर यू
we
राइट,
started yeah
आफ्टर मगरिब सला एंड फराज
Yes sir.
तुम्हें क्या करो, मॉर्निंग टाइम जो है हमना मॉर्निंग है उनको रात है वहाँ,
Okay sir.
तो मॉर्निंग तुम्हें नाश्ता कर ले बैठो,
Okay sir.
मॉर्निंग आपको तुम ना आई थिंक वी शुड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 9 AM हियर,
Okay sir.
9 AM
9 p.m. will be ours हाँ
हाँ, तो उनका टाइम रहता है, नाश्ता कर लेके फ्रेश होकर बैठो और मेंटली फ्री, तुम्हें वहाँ यहाँ नहीं सोचना, उधर इधर की बात नहीं,
एकदम
Okay,
अलग लाइक सेपरेट कमरे में ना
डेडिकेशन से बैठना। कई को बोले तो
Yes.
मैं तुम्हारे वजह से मैं तबरेज को रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग स्लो बिकॉज यू नो अब और एक बंदा आने वाला है,
Yes sir.
तो आज उसे डिस्कस करके मुझे फाइनल करना है, तो बिकॉज राइट नाउ ही इज इन कीनिया अफ्रीका, तो उसे है ना उसका इशू क्या है, 5 hours ये है डिफरेंस, सो इन कीनिया आई थिंक इट माइट बी मॉर्निंग 7 o'clock नाउ।
ओके
Okay sir.
अब जब हमें वी स्टार्टेड एट 9 AM मीन्स उसे मॉर्निंग 5 o'clock ये होना लॉग इन फॉर हिम,
लॉगिन हाँ सही है
Yes sir.
वो बोल रहा मैं आई विल बी स्लीपिंग टाइम, मिस्टर ताज बोलता हूँ देखेंगे, विल डू सॉल्यूशंस, solution I think only तबरेज कैन टेल।
यस सर
अब देखो तबरेज अभी क्या हो रहा है, नाउ राइट नाउ ही इज इन कीनिया इन another 2 months,
ओके
I spoke to him 2 months in Kenya, so he's ready to join, but issue
Okay.
is I think 3 hours or 4 hours difference. Let me check.
3 hours
Difference between timing difference from Kenya and India.
Sorry.
2 hours 30 minutes, no issues. Okay, so 2.5 hours. Right? अगर 2.5 hours है, so
तो वहाँ हम लोग वहाँ उनका 7 बजा रही 7 o'clock मॉर्निंग और आप लोग का 9 o'clock रही ना
यहाँ पे अभी 11 o'clock है almost.
7:30 हाँ वहाँ 7:30 रही आप लोग के 9:30 रही
हाँ
हाँ
तो एक बार पूछना पड़ेगा उसको।
हाँ हाँ if you can log in at 7
तो he has to log in early morning.
हम्म
हाँ तो अर्ली मॉर्निंग लोगों को लॉग इन करना है। So any question Tabriz here?
So alhamdulillah everything is good so far so good and we'd like to thanks to you once again you are here with us.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah everything is good.
फराज कुछ क्वेश्चन है, ये /24 में कई को लिख रहे हैं, तुम्हें ये क्या पूछ रहे नहीं?
IP addressing ring.
Okay.
So for IP addressing,
sometime I will write /16, sometime I will write /8. Okay.
oh then why sir?
Okay, I will tell you this
Different-
why. This is called the CIDR value, classless interdomain routing. Okay, /16. तो इसे हमें /24 तो मैं कभी भी देखती, this is my your class A IP address. अगर 16 है, that is your class B IP address. अगर 8 है, this is my class A. Okay, the class A, B, C, D. Okay, I will tell you in IP addressing.
Okay sir.
Okay, not now. So after completing this topic. और ये तुमने आज मैं कई को पढ़ा बोले तो okay, in theory I don't want to make you bore in the theory in the day one.
Yes sir.
Okay, just I am talking like how to we can give the IP address, just to familiar with this all options, how we can use these options, all options. Okay, because you know for I think almost in the 1 month or 2 months we are going to use this Cisco packet tracer.
And
Yes, sir.
when you're gonna download the for us, if you're gonna download the Cisco Packet Tracer from the Netiquette, the one Mr. Taj is showing it to you, there's a manual also, the YouTube manual. You can
Okay, sir.
so see the the Cisco Packet Tracer manual. You can see the YouTube also how you can use it.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Sir.
If you want, I'll share you this link in chat box.
Okay, sir.
Okay. From here, I think you can able to download this.
Yeah, sir, I'll download.
Alright. Okay, regarding the book, if you want, I'll show you. I'll share you. I think I have the CCNA material. I think I have shared you the link. We can download from there for us.
Yes, sir.
I think CCNA material, all things is there. I'll share you. I'll segregate the document. I'll share you later. Fine. Link भेजको उन दको तुमने for us.
Oh, sir. Yes, sir. It's came.
No, तुम्हारा chat box
Okay,
में भेजको हूँ. So from there you can download this packet tracer. So let me stop this one. I think we'll start the session today. Okay, so we can continue tomorrow.
Inshallah, ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any questions now before we go stop the session?
All good, sir. From my side, everything is good.
Good, right? So just
Yeah.
I'm going. I still am not into full fledged because maybe let me come one or two guy. Today I will talk to Khadir also. Or for us, तुम्हें comfortable है नहीं समझ में आ रहा नहीं तुमना?
Yes, sir. All good.
हाँ?
जी, sir. समझा.
Okay then. Okay then. Tabres. See you then. Good night, Tabres.